Hi, good evening. This is Amanda with the Veterans Law Group, and I just wanted to do a quick rundown with you guys about the VA appeals process. So, what do you do when you get a decision from the VA? Generally, the initial decision from a VA is going to be what they call a rating decision. It's a decision that specifically states this is what you claimed, this is what we looked at, the evidence that we looked at, and then it renders a decision as to whether or not it's service connected. If it is, what the percentage is and what the effective date is. It will also identify if you've been denied your claims. So what do you do when you get a rating decision and how do you appeal it? First thing you want to do with a rating decision is to look at the details of it and identify, say you were rated at a 10% for your back. And you were looking at, okay, well, what does it take to get to 20%, which is the next level up? The rating decision should identify within it the symptoms you have to show, the medical evidence you have to show to get a higher rating. So say you decide that you want to appeal it, that you believe that you're entitled to a higher rating, or you believe that something that was denied should be service connected. The important thing to know is if your decision is dated February 19th of 2019 or after, and it's a rating decision, you have 1 year to appeal that decision. There's 3 different levels of appeal that you are allowed to do. Provide new evidence, which is called a supplemental claim. A higher level review, which means you've already submitted all the evidence that you want to submit, and you just want somebody that has a little bit more experience working at the VA to review your decision and see if they come to a different conclusion. Or the third option is you can appeal directly up to the board. It's called the Board of Veteran Appeals, and they will allow you to either just ask for a decision from the judge, to submit additional evidence, or to request a hearing. So if at any time you want to go before the next decision maker to do testimony under oath and to tell the judge your story, you're going to have to appeal directly to the board. But the important thing to know is that 1 year deadline. If you don't file your appeal or your supplemental claim within 1 year period of time, you're giving up your effective date. And after that, you would have to start from scratch. So what I generally tell people is if you're unsure when you get a rating decision, if you're unsure if you want to appeal it, always first reach out to somebody who has experience, such as our office or a veteran service representative or veteran service officer, who can evaluate your decision and state whether or not we believe you should appeal for a higher rating or you should appeal for service connection. And then in addition to that, whatever way in which you keep track of your calendar, put something on your calendar that's maybe a couple months before that 1 year deadline. So even if you don't decide now, you're at least reminding yourself within a few months to relook at that decision. We offer free consultations here at the Veterans Law Group. If you want to go to our website and fill out a free consultation form, we'd be happy to take a look at your decision and let you know whether or not we can assist you with your claim.